We're going to go ahead and take a look at how to create progress reports for the students in your class. So to do this, you want to sign into Edsby, and you are going to click on the class that you would like to print the progress reports for. You don't want to click on the report card if you see the report card option, because that's going to take you directly to your report card. So click
Once
on
it
the
loads, come
name
over
of the
to
class
your
to the
grade book.
left. Then you want to go ahead and click on a student. From the student perspective view, click on the gear icon in the upper right and choose Print Progress Report. Now, that's going to bring up a PDF with all of this particular student's information. So you can see I have a graph, I have assignments, and then I have some attendance history. What I would have you do is remove the graph and remove the attendance history. So that way, the only information that is showing is for the particular student in that particular class with their assignments. If there are any incomplete assignments, those will also appear here. Click on the printer button in the upper left. Your printer dialog box may look a little bit different from mine. If it does, that's okay, but you just want to make sure that your destination printer is print to PDF or save as PDF. Either one will be okay. Once you select the PDF option, click Save. Then you will find your folder that you would like to save it to. If you don't have a folder already created, you could create a new folder and name it Progress Reports. And inside of that folder, you might want to say Howard B. Math or Science or whatever the grade level subject is. So that way I know it is for this student and then the subject, and then I'll click Save. I can then close the tab. It will take me back to this perspective view. Then I can click the drop down here and go to the next student. Print progress report. You can see that it saved my settings, so I don't have to uncheck any of those boxes anymore. Click the print. Make sure that it says save as PDF or Microsoft Print to PDF. Click save. And this is for Jane. And then I will just continue this process for each of the students in my class. Now I have Lorena, print progress report. Click print, save as PDF, click save, and then you will continue that way. There is another way that you can print progress reports from the student panorama. So when I go into a student's class, and I click on the particular student, it's going to take me to their panorama. If I choose View Progress Report here, it will show me all of the students' classes that they are enrolled in. Here's one of the issues that we have here. Number one, if we have averages, we can't include those. So in elementary, we don't use averages to base our grading. Then we also want to make sure that we only have math, ELA, and science. So there are some other classes that you might have, like your homeroom, art, PE, music, that we don't want included in this report. So that's going to be a lot more challenging to get rid of those classes. It is definitely recommended that you come through the first method that we did, which is going through the student perspective. So that's just one way that you can print the progress reports, and then you'll have to get those out to the parents. Let me know if you have any questions.